Part of the Clarity Collection by HHHunt, the retreat offers up to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a garage. We've designed this home to meet all your new home needs. With bedrooms on the first floor, you can relax in the luxury of first floor living. Your new home would not be complete without your garage and laundry room. The retreat offers optional spaces like this one, perfect as a crafting station. Natural light floods in from the courtyard as we head into the main living area. Your beautiful dining room is adjacent to the kitchen, perfect for hosting holiday parties. Connectivity is key as the space flows into the entertaining space. We have redefined perfection with your massive primary suite. Your large bedroom connects to a private bathroom, fit with optional dual sinks and a spacious shower. It's the retreat that you've always dreamed of. For more information, visit HHHunthomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.